Pull. Pull.
Oh, gosh.
Few moments
later. Yeah, my 5 p.m.
Hey. Hell yeah. Everything looks 5 p.m. even though the sun is blaring up there. It's gonna be awesome.
Wait for everybody to catch up. Do not feel the need to try to keep up with us. I will be in front. Are you trail? Drew will be in the back. He'll make sure nobody gets behind him. Don't get in front of me. Then we know where everybody is. They're somewhere in the middle.
A few inches later.
Yay!
Asian, takot sa araw.
Oh, gosh.
Hindi ako takot sa araw, yung walang magka-sunburn yung ilong ko. Mahirap na. Sakit kaya nun, di ba? Sophie! Grabe, super ganda. Thank you.
Bee's trying to steer. Look at Bee trying to steer. She's steering us to the left. Oh my god! Are you okay?
Yeah. Oh. I'm doing it.
You don't have to do it so hard. Here, I'll show you.
Siya ang aking driver, sweet lover hanggang sa pagkakaya. Ooh, muscles! Sige, yeah, go.
Oh, gosh.
Okay, hold on and take a video. Hey! Taking a video.
Inside. Oh.
A few inches later.
We're here at the historical River Gager's house, where we don't know what his name was. He just goes by the famous Richard.
Richard River. River Gager.
And this is his historical site. Pretty cool. We kayaked all the way
From there.
and then all the way back. I mean, not from there. Farther. Farther than that.
Kasi sinabi kong from there, like, ay, hindi, no, from
That
doon.
That way. That way. Extremely close up.
Siyempre mag-picture ako, mag-imbisyosa ako sa...
Ano gagawin mo? Titanic?
Uy, saan ko punta?
There goes CK! There goes B!
Arm day!
Bisay hi. Tawag ka sa kanila. Pachak, 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 me.
He's making me paddle the whole way.
Yeah, that's good for you. I want to lose weight. You're tired.
Minsan arm day kasi wag masyadong leg day.
Ay, arm day. Gusto ko ng leg day.
Araw-araw leg day, walang arm day.
I think it's an ego, B.
Eventually,
Pull. Pull. Yay!
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Yay! 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 Earlier this year, I bought her this gift from Amazon. It's pretty cute. For our monthsary.
Yeah.
And you know, sometimes when you're in a relationship for a long time, you kind of forget to date. Well, we always go on dates. It's just that we like to go on original dates.
Yes, yung date na affordable. Ako yung tipo ng tao kasi na hindi ko kailangan ng super fancy stuff. Mas gusto ko ng adventure at saka yung, alam mo yun, yung mga good memory na pagganda namin, pag-uusapan namin, o ano mo na, kung magkakaanak man kami eventually sa apo namin, ganyan. So,
Exactly. And sometimes you need ideas for that. Sometimes you might not be able to think of something to do. So I bought her this poster.
100-day bucket list!
100-day bucket list. And this list could go on forever. It could take years for us to fill, but
You know what? I did this. Bake a cake. Pero siguro i-vlog ko next time.
yeah, every date that we go on this
Go to the
list.
cinema! We did this also. Pero siguro this time, like, mag-vlog na kami, like, mag-take na kami ng video. Alam nyo kasi guys, sobrang
Tamad namin mag-video kasi
alam nyo ang social media, to be honest, it's actually like, kinda,
in social media, kadalasan fake kasi. Yeah, fake kasi. Yeah. Pero yung amin,
pinipilit ko maging totoo on the spot.
Yeah.
Kaya kung nakikita nyo kami, mukha kami mga haggard versosa, hindi kami laging maganda, naka-makeup.
Yeah. I mean, honestly, one of the reasons why we don't vlog as much is because we'd rather live our lives instead of like capture it every time. We would rather like live the moment than try and capture a
Yep, that's our pork.
time to flip the pork chop. Rosemary pork chop.
Anyways, eto na.
We have our little quarter.
Woo!
And we get to scratch off our
Here's it! Yay! First time ko nag-kayak, so yay! That's a good experience. Magandang view. Thank you, B.
Oh, you're welcome.
Hey,
Where was that again? Willow Beach.
Okay, sige, excursion natin.
Okay.
Oh, there's a picture!
Hello, doors.
Ang cute, B!
Okay, let's see.
Yay! 1 down! 99 left!
Yeah.
Actually, lagi naman kami may ginagawa every weekend. Pero, ito yung nag-video talaga kami. Sinabi ko na mag-video kami dahil
tara.
We will. We'll take you guys on the rest of our 99 adventures. See you. Bye.